Alright guys, welcome back. So, I'm on my way to see my buddy Ryan. He shot a monster bird this morning, so I'm going to go see him. I was hunting up behind my old house this morning. And I didn't see or hear anything. It's gorgeous out too. It was a little foggy this morning, but I still don't understand why I didn't see or hear anything. I don't know if the birds are just moving off. So, I'm going to go take a look at his bird. Yeah, kind of feeling down. I don't know. I haven't seen much. I haven't heard much. But they're still killing them. We still have, I think, 2 weeks left. Yeah, 2 weeks left in the season here in Vermont. I don't know. I'm just getting down the dumps because I haven't been hearing anything. Let me know how you guys are doing in your spots if you're still hunting. I'd like to know. I know we're one of the only states that hunts late in the year like it does now. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll go and see what Ryan's got for a bird.